Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Windows 10 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unzip or extract a compressed file or folder on Windows 10. So in this tutorial, we'll be doing this without any third-party software such as WinZip or 7-zip. While those are great for compressed files, some people may not have the option of installing third-party software, so it's better to use the default zip features that are included in Windows 10. So a zipped file is basically one that's just compressed to save space. It also is a good way to send a bunch of files in one folder over the internet. So to begin with unzipping a file in Windows 10, all we need to do is simply find the folder or file that is compressed. So as you can see, this little icon has a zip on it. That means that it is compressed and zipped. All we need to do to unzip this is right-click it and go to Extract All. So select Extract All in the menu. It'll come up and ask us where do we want to extract these files on our computer. By default, it'll extract it to a new folder with the same name as the zip file. So I recommend just keeping that exactly the same. You can always edit it by selecting Browse, but we're just going to select Extract. So when you do that, it's going to extract the files in there, and it'll create a new folder that'll open up where you can then go in and see whatever data was in that compressed file folder. So as you can see here in the original file, we have the zipped and then the unzipped here that does not have the zipper on the folder icon. So now I can open that up and I can go in and I can see the data that was in there just like that. All right, so that's how you unzip a compressed folder on Windows 10. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Windows 10 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.